Yeah, let's do that. You know what? Let's do that.
Of course.
I take a little powder, I take a little salt, I put it in the shotgun. I go walking out, juba, 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 holy boy, holy moly, looking high, looking low, looking low. I wanna scare you up at church, Mr. Charlie told me so. I won't even take a line. Put them in the shotgun, and I'll take a little stand. Juba, 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 holy boy. Looking high, looking low, looking low. I wanna scare you up at your jaw. Mr. Charlie told me so. Well, you take a silver dollar, take a silver dime, raise it up together with some rubber paint wine. You can hear the drums, voodoo all around. Mr. Charlie tell me I ain't done nothing wrong. Juba, 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 boy, ducking high, ducking low. Gonna scare you up at your jaw. Mr. Charlie told me so. Go ahead, tell him, Jake. Now, Mr. Charlie, would you like to know? Just a little warning before I let you go. Juba, juba, roly poly, ducking high, ducking low. I wanna stare you up at your jaw. Mr. Charlie told me so. Gonna scare you up at your jaw. Charlie told me, Mr. Charlie told me so. Thank you so much for having us, guys. Hey, I like the hat, you know. Happy birthday, Will. We so appreciate it, gang. We'll hope to see you soon, all right? Thank you so much, everybody. Please party irresponsibly.